Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to discuss website quality, how to check websites manually, how to be sure that they're safe for link building, and how to identify those commonly overseen issues. Whenever we start working with clients, it's always that they want legal niche website only. That's okay to expect, but in reality, a lot of those websites are your competitors, and they don't want to link back to a competitor, and that's totally okay with us. But then there are some websites that can give additional value to your main pages, especially if they're ranking for keywords such as slip and fall attorney, or let's say car accidents, bike accidents, anything that's related to those keywords. Websites you can use in this case are blogs that are covering, let's say, cars, bikes, senior care. They're totally relevant, and a backlink from that website is gonna look natural. I'm gonna explain you what are the main metrics you should track in Ahrefs. So let's start with that first. First of all, we're gonna track DR because that's one of the main metrics we're using for our clients, and that's metric that deciding, let's say, the quality or strength of the website where you want to build links on. It's not that crucial a metric because in some cases you can manipulate it, because you can start a blog on from scratch and build the website on irrelevant keywords that will rank, and you'll be getting a spammy link with no actual value to your SEO. DR, or domain rating, is directly influenced by referring domains. Referring domains are number of links pointing to your website. So let's say you have 10 links from one website. It's gonna count as one in the referring domain because it's going to count as one backlink, as one referring domain, because it counts domains only. But here you have total amount of backlinks. So this website is having backlinks from 300 plus websites, but they're linking 968 times in total. I'm not a big fan of strategies that people are using, like trying to acquire hundreds of backlinks. That's something that used to work in 2012, maybe even a bit earlier, but in 2025 that's completely irrelevant, and that's one of the ways to destroy your link building. I'm not referring to the number of keywords that the website is ranking for, but for relevancy. So you can easily click here and see if that makes sense. So this website is a car blog, yeah, okay. So relevant keywords would be something related to cars. So let's see, yeah, so you can see here everything is related to cars, and it means that this website is relevant for its niche. So how do we know it's relevant for you? We're gonna be using Google search operator here to find out. First of all, we're gonna add a word here, site, then colon, and let's say injury here. And then we're gonna see if there are articles that are covering the topic. As you can see here, yeah, so this website is covering similar topics. This means this website is relevant for you. So having a backlink about car safety or car injuries that will link back to your website would be valuable for you. Let's check what else we can see here. So in terms of traffic, there is a certain decline in the last couple of months, but still nothing crucial, especially since the AI is evolving. So that's affecting a lot of websites that are writing about these kind of things, especially websites that are covering informational queries are in danger in the last couple of months and or years because of the AI. And that kind of keywords is losing a battle with AIs. But then this is a new metric we can track. So AI citations. This shows number of times this website was used to get informations for AIs, and as you can see, it seems pretty relevant. No huge numbers here, but again, if AI is pulling data back from this site, that means it's relevant. So for me, this website used totally okay to get the backlink from. In the previous video, I shared a list of 10 guest posting sites that you can use to get links almost instantly. And I believe that you already have this list. So let's quickly check the quality of this site. In the previous video, I shared a list of 10 websites that you can use to get links almost instantly. Those 10 sites are here, and we can check one or two of them just to go through this one more time and to see if they're relevant. Let's go with senior living since we were covering something similar earlier in the video. Okay, there is a drop in traffic, which I cannot see here in the graph, not sure why. It shows increase, so maybe Ahrefs will update this during the next period. But yeah, a lot of keywords, and the website is about senior living, so we're expecting keywords that are ranking for those terms. Seniorliving.com. Okay, retirement resort. So it's relevant, I would say. So this website is relevant, and let's see if they're covering anything injuries related. Let's go with Google search operator, adding site and colon, and then let's say injuries here to see if they're covering anything. Okay, good. So they're covering something like growing concern of fall injuries. That's great. So this means that this website is already sharing a keyword cluster with you. So this website can be used to get a backlink to one of your pages that's covering senior citizens injuries or something similar, and it will give relevancy to you. When it comes to link building, the most important thing you need to know is that relevancy is before numbers. So for example, having a backlink from a website that's covering something within your niche, or something, let's say, that's connected to your niche in any way, worth more than higher DR from a website that's not relevant to your niche. So for example, this website is having DR 46, and it will look completely natural to get a backlink to one of your pages that are covering, let's say, slip and fall injuries. Then you can have a website of 98 DR that's into, let's say, wedding niche. Would that website bring relevance to you? No. Will it pass SEO juice? No, it's not relevant. So relevancy is one of the most important factors when it comes to link building. Relevancy beats all the numbers, and relevancy is the only way you can stand out among competitors and try getting links that are relevant to your business, to your niche, that have decent DR. Traffic is not crucial here, but you should go with sites that are having at least a couple of hundred visits per month. So for example, if the DR is 20, then it's okay if they're like 500 to 800 visits per month. But if you have a website that's having DR 58 or 60, 70, and is having only 500 visits per month, that's not natural. Something is up there. And you can easily check keywords, you can easily check organic traffic to see if there are any patterns that are not normal, some sudden spikes or ranking for irrelevant keywords. And if you find that website, that's PBN or link farm, and I advise you to just skip the website. That's all for this video. In the future videos, we'll be covering some more advanced link building tactics. How to set blogger outreach on your own, which tools to use, and how to use them properly without breaking a bank. Because some of those tools can be crazy expensive, but there's always alternative that will provide similar results, or in some cases the same for fractional price. So that's all for today's video. Stay subscribed and see you in a few days.